Ready? Three, two, one, start. During the proceedings of a parliamentary committee, the finance ministry made the startling revelation that it was ignorant about the whereabouts of rupees 821 billion that NAB claimed to have recovered since it was formed 16 years ago. Full stop. The Senate Standing Committee on Finance has decided to seek help from the Auditor General of Pakistan to figure out where this huge sum of money has disappeared. Full stop. The finance ministry official acknowledged that of this total amount, rupees 6.4 billion had been received in non-tax revenue, but the ministry could not ask NAB about the remaining rupees 815 billion. Full stop. New paragraph. If the members of the committee were flabbergasted, they have every reason to be. Full stop, as does every other citizen of Pakistan. Full stop. It is quite incomprehensible that an amount as big as this remains unaccounted for within the government's accounting system. Full stop. In addition, it is even more surprising that no one in the finance ministry or any other relevant department for that matter raised a red flag about this money all these years. Full stop. If the money is parked in some NAB account, it needs to be reported immediately to the finance ministry with a full explanation for why it was not deposited as per official procedure earlier. Full stop. If NAB has utilized it for some reason, then this amounts to a huge financial scandal. Full stop. New paragraph. The NAB chairman will need to explain how the money was utilized without having been declared to the finance ministry and why it was not deposited in the national treasury. Full stop. This unexplained disappearance of such a massive amount of money also raises some disturbing questions about the workings of the government and the acute lack of financial transparency that plagues the system despite proper laid down procedures. Full stop. Nothing short of a high level inquiry into the matter will suffice. Full stop. All concerned officers in the finance ministry and NAB who are responsible for keeping a record of this money presently and in the past must be investigated so that it can be determined how this travesty was allowed to take place and who is responsible for this gross negligence or malified action. Full stop. New paragraph. Since Prime Minister Imran Khan reminds the nation at every opportunity that financial transparency is his government's highest priority, he must ensure that this money is accounted for and that errant officials in NAB and the finance ministry are taken to task. Full stop. Either this or NAB itself should come clean on the matter without further delay. Full stop.